Hello, good day. I'm Catherine, 37 years old, married. I have two kids, 14 years old boy and 6 years old boy. I finished my studies at Cagayan State University. I took up Bachelor of Science in Business Administrations, major in Management Accounting. I have local experience for 3 years serving one family. I help them prepare their things in the morning. I also cook their meals in the morning and I also send them to school. After that, I do the household chores like cleaning, ironing, doing the laundry, and also cooking. And I have also experience here in the Philippines working at a bank as a cashier and a bank teller. And I have also experienced teaching in public school here in the Philippines, and I teach high school students, and I also love to teach children, and I also love to take care of them. I am responsible, hardworking, and honest person. If you will hire me, I will make sure to follow and obey all your rules, and I will make sure also to do my responsibilities and duties. Hope you shall give me a chance. Have a good day and God bless.